Hello, my name is Anna Sobieski, and today I'll be discussing the importance of cultural intelligence. Today I will be discussing my CQ journey through this course. I will be discussing my CQ assessment and goals, what I did for my project, what I learned, and what I'm still hoping to learn. When it comes to my personal CQ, I have to work on 2 of the 3 categories. Those 2 categories would be cognitive and motivational. I need to focus on my cognitive CQ because I do not typically plan out how my interactions with other people from different cultures will go, especially before they happen. I am also not able to distinguish when something is wrong or right away. Now, when it comes to my motivational CQ, I need to gain more confidence. I need to gain more confidence in order to deal well with people from other cultures. Going along with needing more confidence, I need to work on being able to adapt to different lifestyles amongst other cultures. In order to develop my cognitive and motivational CQ, I need to engage in different experiences. When it comes to my project, I partook in 2 different activities. First, I interviewed my friend Madhurika, whose family is from India. These were the questions that I had asked. What country are you and your family from? What languages can you speak, if any? How is education handled in your culture? What is the most popular form of entertainment? And what is considered taboo in your culture? The answers to the questions are as follows. Her and her family are from India. She is able to speak English, Hindi, and a lesser-known language spoken in India called Telugu. Education within her culture is typically super strict. All of the grades are excelled and they are typically very smart. They also take education very seriously and they are extremely proper. The most popular form of entertainment is music, and people enjoy movies, especially ones out of Bollywood. Another popular form of entertainment would be dances. Things that are considered taboo in her culture are sexuality, showing skin, as well as drinking and smoking, especially for women. The next activity that I partook in would be watching a movie called 3 Idiots. This movie is based in India and it is about 3 friends who go through life together. They end up going to college together and helping each other through their difficult family issues. This movie really showcases the importance of school in this culture. It also showcases how serious they take education and how smart the students are. The professors are extremely strict and have no exceptions to late work whatsoever. Their thoughts are that if they are not prepared for college, they will not be prepared for the real world job. That is how serious they take their education. Throughout this project, I was able to learn multiple things, the main one being my CQ score and what areas I need to improve on. I also learned that the Indian culture focuses heavily on school. School is very important to them, so doing well in school and respecting your teachers and professors is extremely important. I also learned that they are extremely strict in that culture. From the parents to the professors, they are not lenient whatsoever. When it comes to what I'm planning to learn, I have a few ideas. I would like to improve my cognitive and motivational CQ. Being able to go to new cultures, and experience new things will greatly help in boosting my CQ. I would also love to meet new people, whether it be on campus or elsewhere. Meeting new people will allow me to ask new questions and get to know someone else's background. By doing both of these things, I will help my CQ greatly. I am open to learning new things from new people. Overall, it is important to be respectful when entering a new culture. It is also extremely important to keep an open mind. Being open to change will allow you to interact more smoothly with people from other cultures. Thank you for listening.